Hello, my people. Guys, I made a mistake, man. I made a mistake. I took out a video that I already took out. So, firstly, I'd like to apologize. It was a mistake. It's very hard. It's very hard, guys. If you're an editor, you're a recorder, you're a mechanic, you're everything. It's you. So, yeah. Just to say, I'll be taking out a video tonight. Now I'm like pressure to take out a video tonight. Hopefully it's gonna work out. Yeah. So yeah, apologies, guys. I'll be taking out a video. Hopefully tonight. I got a few things to tweak around here and there. Yeah, but for now, I need to get what I need to get. Yeah, cop just passed by, is watching me holding this phone like this. Yeah, I need to get what I get for the Corolla so I can take out a video. Yeah, and then yeah. But basically, guys, yeah, so it's an apology. And to all my fans, thank you, guys. Thank you. Like, really means a lot. I like it that you guys saw that. I mean, in the back of my mind, I had this thing, which I did take out a video, but it was just snippets. Yeah, well, like my shorts. I mean, yeah, I was taking out of my shorts. Like, oh, maybe you're seeing the car in the back, but you're gonna love this one. It's coming soon, hopefully tonight or latest tomorrow, but I'll push it for today. But for now, let me love and leave you guys.